Well, well, well. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at it. Oh my goodness, I actually did not expect this. After years of waiting, it's beautiful. Alright. Whoa, what do we got here? Edward Puffton. Weeks missing, 31. 63. I'm assuming this is the missing billionaire that we're supposed to find. Oh my goodness, it's Kelvin. It's Kelvin. Oh. Fight demons. Guys, this is a trailer. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, we're going down in the snow. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Oh boy, that is not good. We're falling. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Don't crash on us. Don't crash on us. Jeez, who is that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, hold up. Chill out, man. Chill out. Oh. What was that for? What was that? Oh, oh my. Wow. Look at the snow. It's like actually... We're actually making an imprint in it. Okay, what do we got here? Got some stuff. Ah! Is that our axe? Is that our trusty axe? GPS tracker. Ah! I'm assuming this replaces our map. Crates. Oh, a grenade! They had grenades! What the f... Kelvin? Is that my boy Kelvin? Kelvin, don't worry, don't worry. I got you, I got you. Oh my, look at him, he's magnificent! Are you okay, man? Oh, here we go, okay. What do we want to say? This is really cool. We get to say a bunch of different stuff. How about you just follow me? Just for now. Stick it on him. I got it? Alright. It was quite a crash. What crashed? I don't even... What even crashed us? I saw like bullet holes in the window. If it was... Okay, if it was that guy who like came up to us and knocked us out. Surprised his bullets reached us, but... Ooh, new jumping animation. That's cool. I will say, this game, it looks a lot better. Hold on, wait, let's... Oh my goodness, that looks delectable, man. That is really nice. Oh my goodness. Wow, you know what, we should probably take, medicine. There you go. Get our health back up. But, oh my, wow. That is really nice. You see that? You see that, buddy? You see that? Let's see. What is it to craft a spear? Ah, okay. We have enough. Alright, let's see this animation. Ooh. That is really nice. Nice. Alright, alright. Oh, dang. I don't got it anymore. That's nice though. They actually give you like an indicator where your spear's gonna hit. Wow, that is that's quite welcoming, huh? Huh, Kelvin? Oh, there's the entrance to the cave. Oh, it's actually it's boarded up. Okay, that is interesting. What is slingshot? So I'm still gonna just break this. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh. The atmosphere just changed instantly. There's no light coming in to the cave. Wow. Wow, this looks 10 times better than before. Is that... Oh. Can we go on this? No. We have to jump across? Nah, this seems like a barrier. Alright, oh, that's fine. We should probably focus on, building the base, which, you know, this is actually kind of a nice area to build a base. We can get a drink from here. Hey, Kelvin. I guess we can make a temporary shelter for now. I think we should just... Yeah, how do we... Is there... Oh, yes. Survival handbook. Oh, this is quite different now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, so there's no blueprints. Tarp and stick. What? What? What's there? What's there? Is there something right there? Oh, oh! Hey, oh my god, up there, up there. Hey there, buddy. What you doing? Oh my, jeez. Well, hold on, hold on. Gotta get a bird. Gotta get the feathers. Well, Kelvin. Let's see, how do we build this? Do we have... tarp? Oh? Oh! Wait, hold on. Whoa, okay, damn. Wow, okay, and then how do we... Oh, oh my, that is really cool. Well, that's a little goofy. But, wow. These animations are really cool. We should probably save. Okay, is this guy over here still? Oh, he is. Well, I mean, I don't really want to start anything, you know, because I'm pretty sure, you know, the whole tribe would probably get mad at me. Let's cut down this tree here. That is so cool. All the little particles and chips fly out. Even the, wow, even the falling tree. What? Where? Oh. Oh my god, there's more. There's two. So how does this work? How do, because we don't have any blueprints. Do we also, we also place this down? Is that, that's pretty stable. Well, what is all this? Oh, we can stack them? Like, you can literally just, like... Oh. Okay. That's kind of cool. Oh. Oh! Oh, we can just chop it in. Oh, dude. These guys are just peeking around the tree. There are so many. Holy... Yeah, this is probably not a good idea. Like, this is probably not a good area to be in. Hold on, I wanna... That is really cool. Okay, well, guys, I'm trying to... Hey! This is being a little weird. Here we go, we got some walls. We should probably make some walls. We can make a little cabin later. Oh, wait, can we do the... Oh, yes! That is so cool. Wow. Oh my... Chill, dude! What are these guys doing? I swear, dude, these guys are like trolling us. Oh! Oh! Well, hello there! What? Okay. Where? 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 Wait, where are you going? Wait. Alright, these guys are disrupting my companions. Get out of here! Oh my god! This is so brutal! Oh, we got one. Oh my god! Dude! Yeah, you get out of here. You hear me? Alright, how do we build a fire? Reinforced fire? Yeah, sure. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, that is really cool. Wait, what about the stones? What? What's going on? Where are they? Ah. Hold on. Let's get the knife out this time. Ah! Am I just punching him, or is it the knife? Oh, it is. You stay away from me! Oh yeah, even the fires are looking a lot better. Hey, buddy. I'm chill, man. I'm chill. He just went back into the bushes. Alright, I think it is probably a good time to sleep. Is this good now? Ah, yes. Oh, dear. Come on. Give me the food. Me and Kelvin are hungry. Ah. Oh. Wait. Come on. Oh, that was so close. That was actually close. Hold on. I think we can get it. Ah, yes! Success! First hunt. Successful. Got some skin? Alright. Oh my goodness! Okay. Well then, hey, what's up? This guy's just strolling in here like that. Don't try anything funny. I thought those guys were supposed to fight each other, like those ones. Yeah. Hey, stop! I don't want to fight you. No, all right. I'm sorry. What are you trying to do? Oh, this guy's ready to fight. Oh, he's about to tell all his friends now. I'm here. Okay, hold up. We really need to finish this. Oh. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Okay, this may not be a good spot to stay. Oh, he's just vaulting over that. Oh, there he is. Okay, hey man, we need to... Here, you need to follow me. Oh my... Oh, yeah, get out of the... Alright, pal, let's go. Let's get out of here. Yeah, why don't we build here? We can build, like, in full, like, proper... Oh my... He was hiding in the... These guys are, like, ambushing me. Alright, Kelvin. What are you doing, buddy? The water looks really nice, I have to say. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this, because, you know, I mean, this is coming from an indie developer, a developing team. So, huge props to them, actually. Oh, yes, more stuff. Got the watch. I think we can use those for explosives, if I remember correctly. Let's go in here. You ready, Kelvin? Let's go. And fade to black. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh, the GPS is down. Okay, well, we have no use for that. Canned food. Oh, okay, that's new. We didn't have canned food last time, I don't think. Wait. Oh, I guess Kelvin's not with me. Oh, God. Well, a bunch of skulls. Oh. They don't see me, do they? These are cave cannibals, right? So... I'm assuming they're blind. Yeah. Alright, yeah, so these guys can't see me, they just hear me. Okay, we gotta be careful then. Oh, we can make a bow. Alright, let's do that. Bam. And then 2 sticks. Alright, let's see how it looks. Grab this. Dude, the animations in this are clean. Oh my! You heard me? Wait, what's going on? Oh, shoot. Hold on. Oh my... Okay. Oh! Okay, we need to go now. Oh my, dude, the freaking bats. Those get me every time. Oh my god, they're following us. What the hell is that? What the f— No, 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 hold on, chill. Wait, hold on, okay, this probably could get me killed, but like... Oh my... Okay, okay, hold on, I need to chill out, these guys are timed bombs. Oh, okay, okay, yeah, that's hurting us. Okay, we cannot do anything with that. Okay, let's just go. Okay, I'm not staying in here. This is... Oh, jeez. Hey, what's up, buddy? Oh, wait, they also added sharks. Oh, dude, diving in this game is gonna be scary. Huh. Okay, we got some skulls here. Oh! Oh, we just got this... Oh! We just got the stun baton. That is actually kind of cool. I was wondering like when we would find like items. Well, here we go. Here's our first like major like item find. I think there could be some resources on the beach. I remember there were some things located on the beach. There was like a raft out ashore. That could probably have... I wonder if there's a yacht. I doubt it. Sam really... Oh, Kelvin's being left behind there. I don't know. Hold on. Let's go over here. Real quick, let's see what this green dot is, because... Oh, wait. Is that a... It's a golf cart. Whoa. Dude. Really old golf cart. Dang. This thing's been here for a while. Call me stupid, but... Who knows? Oh my god. Yeah, we weren't supposed to do that. Ah, the beach. Here we are. Look at this. Do we leave footprints? Ooh, we do. Attention to detail. Oh, there it is, the raft. Alright, well, let's attempt to, swim over. Come on. Can I even get... Oh, wait, we just got the gun! Wait, hold on, hold on. Oh, okay, get us up. Alright, well, I just picked up the gun through the... Okay. Nice. We got our first firearm, boys. Let's go. Oh, hoo-hoo. Oh my... Oh my... Oh! Oh my... Okay, hold on. Let's get the pistol out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that beauty. That is so nice. Alright, we gotta get back fast, because that shark is gonna be on our ass. Oh my... Holy sh... Dude, go, 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 go. Dude. I assume we wouldn't spawn back at the cannibal camp if we died in the ocean, so... Assuming that, I think we need to be really careful. Alright, this would actually kind of be nice to live. Look right over there. It's a little flat area. Actually, is that a cannibal camp? No, no, no. I think we're good. I think we're good. Alright, Kelvin. I'm gonna need you to, get some, let's see, logs and drop them here. Thank you, buddy. Alright, yeah. This is gonna look real nice. Alright, so we do have the book. But this, oh, it tells us how to do stuff. Oh, these are the okay. So these are like the blueprints. I think I want to mess around with this new building. Oh shoot. Oh my, you little. I'm gonna be nice and I'm gonna. I get we have limited ammo, but I kind of want to use this. Not gonna lie. I'm warning you. Ah. Oh, damn. Okay. Let's place it down like that. Oh, okay. Very cool. And then, okay. Well, I want to build a foundation. Let's build one kind of like that. Place that there. And then like that. Okay. I don't know how big we want to make this, but... Oh. Wait, hold on. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. There is actually a ton of customization. So you can cut it into quarters. Oh, nice. Alright, let's put this like that. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay. That's starting to look a little... That's starting to look nice. I have to say, Kelvin is a lot of help. It was a good idea to add a companion to this game. So I'm assuming... Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. We can add floors now. I think we're gonna put the entrance right here, because, like, if we... I want to kind of put, like, a side view. And I feel like this is just, like... That's just a nice view right there. The lake's nice, but... not as nice as that. So I kind of have an idea for what I want to do for this. We're gonna make kind of like a slanted roof. I feel like that would look kind of nice for this. These guys just love hanging out here. I mean, they're not really attacking me. Well, maybe they are now. But anyways, it's starting to look real nice. You got the framework and everything. I have kind of lean like that. That would look kind of cool. Where does he think he's going? Alright, there we go. It's gonna be the door. So let's chop it out. And there we go. Nice. Oh. Hello, hello. Oh, you're gonna run away again, aren't you? We got a house building here. You'll be safe here, lady. Alright, we'll also make a window here. We're gonna have to build a bed probably. Alright. So I think it would be nice to have a bed maybe like, I don't know, right here. Ah, there we go. So now, okay, yeah, this counts as a bed. And everything. Okay, cool. Oh, that's a little funky. The tape on it disappears. Oh, Kelvin! Oh, he almost just got hit by that. Jeez, this guy is clueless. Well, I guess he's deaf. Okay, it makes sense. Alright, I guess there's this gap in the roof. Alright, I guess we can't really get rid of this gap, which is a little annoying. Maybe we can figure something out, but for now, we have to keep it. What the? Is she walking on water? Oh no, she's just walking on the stones. That was like tripping me out. I'm telling you, this is starting to look real nice. Looking like a real home. Oh, wait, what the heck? I just patched it. I just patched it up. Okay, I don't know how I did that, but let's see if we can get Kelvin to get us more logs. Alright, it's starting to look nice. What in the hell? Okay, okay. Hold on. It's the gold mask guy. Where the hell did you come from? Stand back. Oh my... Oh my... He actually attacked Kelvin. Dang. Can we pick... Oh, we can pick... Can we pick this weapon up? No, we can't. Well, it's kind of unfortunate that we've pretty much made enemies with every single cannibal tribe. Alright, let's finish this door. There we go. And then we need a little bit more for that stair. And then we pretty much got our base complete. Oh my god, Virginia, watch out. Oh. Oh. Are you okay? Alright. Here we are. It's pretty much the complete build.